Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys. How are you? Good morning. I hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you and save you from every disease. Today we revise our topic changing the shadow. Okay. From morning till evening, our shadow change. Sometimes it is long, sometimes it is short, and also it is change the direction. Okay, and shadow always form opposite side of the light source. Now first of all, here you can see shadow moves during the day. Okay, here watch the stick of watch this shadow of the stick, and also it tell to about the time. Okay, here this is am. Am mean 6 am mean in the morning. Okay, when the sun rise. Okay, the sun is here, it is rise, and this is stick, the shadow is opposite side. Shadow form always opposite side of the light. For example, here light, the shadow will be here, and this shadow because of this. Okay, now in the morning, sunrise from the east, and it is uh, go to high and high because sun isn't move, our earth move. Our earth is spinning, and during spinning we looks like the sun is moving across the sky, but actually the sun isn't moving. Now from here sunrise, and it is move across, looks like move across like this, here and here and here. From here the shadow is the longest, then it's become short, 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 and when sun come at the highest point, 12 o'clock, then the shadow become shortest. Shadow become shortest. Then it's moving again across, then shadow become bigger, bigger, and here biggest. Here the shadow here biggest, shadow here biggest, but opposite direction. Here AM in the morning, and here PM at night. Okay. Now this is the position of the shadow during the day when sun move across the sky. Now what is shadow? When an object blocks light, then the shadow forms. How does shadow change? Shadow change during the daytime, and the shadow is longest in the morning, shadow is shortest at midday, and shadow is longest before the sun set. Two times it is longest, and one time it is shortest. Then why is shadow longest during morning or evening? Because the sun is in the lowest position. Okay, because of this shadow is longest. And why is shadow shortest during the daytime? Because the sun is highest at midday, because of this. And then how does a shadow move? Shadow move slowly as the earth spins. Then what is sundial? This is sundial, is it is a device that is used to measure the shadow and time. And here I give you some example. During early morning, the shadow is long. This is, and during daytime, the shadow is short. And during the evening, this also when the sun set, shadow also long. Okay, boys, this is about shadow. Now I show you the video, then you can understanding more. Okay, let's see.
Light and shadow. Light. We always have a question in our mind. Why can we see so many stars at night, but only one star during the day? Stars are always in the sky, but the sun, being the brightest of all, hides the other stars during the daytime. It is the only natural source of light. It helps us to see everything around us. It also gives us heat. At night, we cannot see anything because there is no sun. But we need light to see objects. We get this light from different man-made objects like bulbs, tube lights, candles, torches, diyas, etc. The sun and shadows.
The sun is also the cause of shadows. When the light of the sun is blocked by an object, the dark area beside that object is called a shadow. Let us do an activity. Go out in the sun at different times of the day and observe your own shadow. Move in different ways and see how your shadow changes. Play games with your shadow. The position of the sun decides the length of a shadow. At noon, the sun is overhead, so there is hardly any shadow. In the morning and afternoon, when the sun is in the east and the west, you block the sun's rays and your shadow is long. In the morning, your shadow is in the west. In the evening, your shadow is in the east. You cannot see a shadow when the sun is covered by clouds. Shadows can be seen only in the presence of light. Let us have some fun with shadows. Use a dark room and a torch. Put different objects in front of the torchlight and watch the shadows. Now, by using your hands, try to form shadows of animals on the wall. Try to touch something and see if your shadow touches it too. Now, gently try to move your hand in such a way that your shadow continues to touch it.
Now, you know that you should not be scared of your shadow, as it means that there is light somewhere near you.
Hello. Okay, boys, this is our topic today, how a shadow change. It is about the shadow. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.